Hello and welcome everyone to the third part and the final part, I hope so, of this series of Design to Code, wherein we were designing the portfolio. We coded it, and now we will be actually deploying the stuff. So first of all, a little bit introduction of mine. My name is Jasneet Singh. I'm also known as a native coder. I'm the founder of Innovative Labs, and you can reach out to me on these channels. So first is of course on YouTube, wherein I'm trying to build out a community of developers who are very well versed with all of these concepts related to designing, to coding, to machine learning, to a lot of stuff. Then you can also follow me on Instagram, where we have a huge community of more than 1 lakh people, of more than 100,000 developers. So the link is given in the description. Everything is given in the description. You can check it out. Also, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, Twitter, not on TikTok, sorry, but on Behance and on Dribble as well. If you like the video, if you have liked the previous content, then please hit that like button. Please comment your feedback or anything you want. That just supports me, that just helps out with the algorithm of YouTube. And please subscribe the channel. Okay, let's just dive deep into how you can actually push your code to GitHub just using VS Code, and then we'll be looking at how you can actually deploy the stuff. Yeah, so this is the website we have coded, and now we will be pushing it onto GitHub. So what you can do is in your what do you have this thing known as your VS Code, right? You have all of these plugins. If you just see wherein I am hovering on the right side of your screen, if you can see, you have all of these plugins, and this is where you can use GitHub. So what you need to do is you just need to initialize the repository. You first need to stage them, as I've done, and then you just need to commit it. Okay, and that's how you actually commit them. But these changes are not yet pushed. So what you need to do is, let me just cross this one. You just need to, so what I'll do would be, I've come to my terminal. Okay, like this, git status. So I just did git status, and it says on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean, but you need to actually push your code onto GitHub. So what now you need to do is, you need to go onto GitHub. Okay, so when you go onto GitHub, you will find something like this. You go on to repositories, the repositories section, and this new. So you press on to new, and you can put in your repository name, whatever you like, your description, whatever you like. Again, if you want to do it public, if you want to go private, it's your choice. If you want to initialize this repository with a readme, then also it's your wish. And then just press create repository. I won't be doing that as of now, but when you do that, it would tell you a set of commands, right? That commands you've already done using this. You just need to do 2 more commands, which is, I'll write this over here. So one is git remote add origin, and then there would be a complete link, or you can find the link of your GitHub repository over here. Wait a moment. Let me just open the my repository. What you can do is, you'll find the link over here. Okay, so just copy this and just paste it over here like this. And when you press enter, it would actually link your local folder to your global GitHub repository. And after that, after doing this, you just need to do git push -u origin master. So you just need to do git push -u origin master, and that's all. Then you would see something like this over here. Okay, you would see something like this over here. You won't be having much of, I think, readme stuff, but yes, if you just want, you can add the readme. It's your wish. Now after that, open vercel, vercel.com. Just sign up on the website, and you will get something like this. You won't be having any project as of now. I did this profile revisited test, so that's why it's showing me right now. Now what you can do is, you can import project. Just click on this import project and import from Git repository or import a template. I would just import from Git repository. and now herein I can type my repository name. So this is another project of mine. Okay, I'll just have this one, and let me just go on and deploy this thing. This is actually deployed using GitHub Pages. Same like vercel. Couldn't find the if exist. Verify that GitHub integration is permitted to GitHub app settings. Just need to verify the password, confirm password. Okay, select the repository. So we'll select this one, we'll save it, done. Now vercel has the access to this. It's continuing, done, continue and deploy. You just need to click on deploy, it will do the rest everything itself. Okay, cloning that, cloning complete, analyzing the source code, uploading build outputs. It's actually showing you the logs, right? So okay, congratulations, we are done. That's really good, and we can visit that site. Okay, so this is actually the site I built for one of my clients. Cool, looks good, right? And this is the same stuff you can do with your website, this one as well, this website as well. I have done, so that's why I'm saying, right? And then you will see the site something like this if we visit it, and you'll get a custom link as well, like this .vercel.app, right? You'll get something like this. That's done. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have liked the content. I hope you are staying up to date with the current technology. If you are, and if you like the content and if you like the channel, then please hit that like button, please subscribe to the channel, and please post any of your doubts or any of your feedbacks inside that comment box. I generally reply to that in a day or two. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Twitter, anywhere, on any platform. I am with the name innovative_coder. You can just reach out to me. Thank you guys. That's all from my side. Bye bye.